Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of minus 0.19 for inflation, which is noteworthy considering how stable sentiment has been in recent weeks. This dip indicates a potential shift in public perception, a signal that you should pay attention to. Our API returns sentiment data alongside momentum and semantic clusters, helping you understand the nuances behind public sentiment on inflation. Picture this: you're building a trading algorithm that reacts to sentiment shifts. Integrating our API could give you the edge in anticipating market moves based on evolving inflation perceptions. For more insights and to see how you can leverage this data in your projects, check out pulsebitlojenterprise.com/docs. Let's dig into those numbers together and find actionable opportunities.